Alright, today we're going to look at two of the best day trading strategies that we know of. On the left you will see the at the open 2 strategy, and at the right hand side you'll have the Atlas line day trading strategy. So this is the price action and trading signals that we saw today. The Atlas line signaled at 28.2350. So the first Atlas line trading signal was a short signal. The Atlas line usually gives its first trading signal at right before 10 o'clock Eastern time. This time we went short at 28.2350, and it immediately moved down vigorously, reaching our profit target of 3.75 points, 3 points and 3/4. We base our profit target on the ATR, which at the time of the signal was 3.81. We show you how to use these tools in the trading program. 3 points and 3/4. That means if you trade 10 contracts of the Emini S&P500, you would have made $1,875, and this profit was made in just about 1.5 minutes, which is pretty impressive. That's what we call CEO money. And on the right hand side, the at the open 2 also showed a trading signal to go short and went down a few points as well. So this was a good day to trade short. Most of the day's successful trades were the ones where the Atlas line told us to go short. Usually the best days to be trading is when most signals are either long or short and not mixed. When you have mixed signals, you'll get a lot of chop. Later, we got 2 new trading signals from the Atlas line software. These were the strength trade and the pullback trade, and each trade reached their profit targets of 1 point in no time. 1 point each, that's 2 points. On 10 contracts, that's $1,000. So more CEO money in the bank. I suggest you head over to daytradetowin.com if you want to learn how to day trade. We have the Get Started Day Trading Guide or ebook. It's 100% free of charge, and you'll learn the basics of day trading. And if you want to jumpstart your day trading career, you should get the Atlas line. We also provide a free day trading simulator with live real-time data. Until next time, good trading.